So, welcome back. Why does this look so funny? Whatever. Anyways, I just want to do a quick video about forestry mulching and the difference between what you see on YouTube and what happens in real life. So, this machine is a Cat 259D. High flow, 2-speed, whatever. This is a, I don't know the name of it, like where is it? HM215C mulcher. This mulcher is actually made by FAE, not Cat, just rebranded Cat. So it's a good mulching brand behind it, you know. Not a CMOF, but it'll work. It'll mulch. Does a good job. A couple things. First and foremost, stuff just gets rammed everywhere. And a caterpillar. Look at this. Just everywhere. Now, I love the Caterpillar, don't get me wrong. I have no complaint. I would choose no other brand than Caterpillar for this setup. It's under 74 horsepower setup. A nice thing about the Cat is this is how easy it is to clean out for transport. Bam. Done. A couple things. You need an air compressor. Definitely need an air compressor, especially if you're gonna run Cat, because all the way in the back there is the diesel particulate filter, which obviously there's no DEF fluid on under 74 horsepower. So how they get around it is by burning it, so it gets real hot. So you have to blow that off after every use. This is what the air filter looks like after about a 6-hour mulching session. Not bad actually today. Not bad at all, right? So you also need an air compressor to blow this off, because this isn't bad actually. So that's nothing. Maybe it wasn't 6 hours. I don't know. We started about 10. No, did we start at 10? I think we started a little earlier today. 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. Well, let's just say it's 4 hours. 4-hour mulching session, so not bad at all. We were at like 5/8 the tank of fuel. This needs to get cleaned out, and whatever, leave it open. So does this radiator right here. That needs to get cleaned out every day. Grease points on the Cat are all very easy to get to. Not quite as easy as JCB, but still pretty easy. There's a couple that are behind there. Those ones are a pain in the butt, but you can take the mulcher off, it's not bad. Now, let's get in the cab. Oh. Air your seat up. It's so much nicer getting into a cab with the seat aired up. Alright, I'm gonna flip this around. Now this is the Cat turning on. See these vents? There's 3 vents, 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. That is it for AC in this thing. Now, it's fine. As you can see, I don't even have it on the coldest, because these need to be blowing to pressurize the cab to keep the dust out. But if you have it on that, you're literally going to lose circulation in your legs because it's so cold. But auto level is a nice feature, and then obviously continuous flow. See how continuous flow turns on? That's for keeping the mulcher going, right? And then the most important thing, creep speed. stop beating the crap out of your drive gears, or sprockets, or whatever. The way is this recording? Oh man, polarized glasses. Behind this and on the outside, right here, is the AC filters. There's two. Gotta clean them both. Gotta get that off every single time, unless you want to burn your machine to the ground. But we're at 174 and 150 degrees, so let's not try and warm it up too much more. Just sitting there idling. I'll show you maybe a little better angle cleaning it off. It's literally just this easy because of this sealed unit, I guess, compared to like the was it the MTL or the Bobcat style, ASV style. Cats are super easy because this is your fuel filter, or is your secondary, your primary fuel filter, whatever. The first fuel filter, which clogs up first, little one. Then your big one, coolant, obviously. That's your hydro fluid filter. But been very happy with this machine. The only downside of this machine is production. Production is not really where I'd like it to be for 100 grand worth of equipment. And it's a lot of operator error, I'm not gonna lie, right? So I'm a new operator. I've only been mulching for 60 hours. Not quite 60 hours, 57 hours, something like that. But come on, 74 horsepower is not something you should be mulching with. Knowing that, I learned that after I bought this. But I got the company name right there. But it does the job. Once you understand that, it does it good. There's better options though, especially if you're gonna drop 100 grand like I just did. But gotta get the debris kit. That one, these ones, because you can see, right? It's already been hit a couple times. Those, and then this one are lifesavers. Literally, this, I think even the electrical connection one got hit, the 7-pin, or whatever it is. But, yeah, here's some video of it mulching. Careful of the, sorry about the quality, because it's all GoPro, and we're in the middle of a field, so, oh, by the way, right here, I'll show you. Right here is the first AC filter, and this one gets the dirtiest. And I guess I didn't clean it out enough. And we already actually went to the dealership for some warranty work on the AC equipment. But they got it turned around in typical cat fashion. And the next day I picked it up and we're back to freezing my legs off. So anyways, here's some video of it running. It's not gonna be a great video because we're on a GoPro. Like Hero 3, I think it was. And the sun is really bright in some areas and dark in other areas, and it's just really blah. But anyways, have any questions about the 259D setup, let me know. I don't have a lot of knowledge about other setups, but this one I can get you answers for. We burn about 2 tanks of fuel a day on a 10-hour shift. Roughly, the second tank is right about maybe a quarter, a little over a quarter, and that's going through 12-foot tall stuff. So it's some nasty, gnarly stuff that this probably shouldn't even be on because it's so small, but it'll do for now. All right, guys.